Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you two methods on how to draw realistic hair. The first one we're using indenting using an inkless pen, and the second one is without indenting. At the end of this video, we'll see the outcome, and the best from the two will be the best method for drawing realistic hair. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So after drawing the outline, use the inkless pen to draw the hair strands according to the pattern of the hair. After indenting, I was using Marie's neutral charcoal pencil to draw the hair strands. Make sure your pencil is sharp to get a clean and neat result. And now, time to add highlights. You can use a Tombow Mono Zero eraser to add highlights, or even an ordinary eraser would work. Just make sure to cut off the edges so that you have clean, sharp corners. Done with the first one, and it looks pretty good. This might be the best. But wait, let's see how the other method turns out. Okay, so for the second method, start with a sketch first. Since we're not indenting, so we'll go straight to the charcoal pencil. Again, make sure it's sharp. Now that it's not indented, you really have to make sure your pencils are sharp all the time. And the last one, now you can see the differences. The drawing on the left is the one I use indentation, and on the right is the one without indenting. I really like the indenting method because it really gave very nice details of the hair strands, so I didn't even have to work on detailing it that much. The one without indenting is okay as well, but if you look closely, you can't see the details on the hair strands compared to the one on the left. These drawings equally didn't take much time to finish, but I guess both methods are effective. I've been using indentation for almost all my drawings, but I decided to not fully depend on it. So after doing this, I clearly saw that there's nothing hard about drawing hair freely without indenting. And the result is pretty cool. So which method will you be using for your drawings? Let me know in the comment section. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.